Greetings friends, welcome to the Alkhi Channel. I am your host, Alkhi, and today we are going to talk about a fruit that looks huge and heavy but is equally light and beneficial for your health. Yes, you guessed it right. Today, we will learn about pumpkins. Pumpkin is not only delicious to eat, but it also has a long history and numerous health benefits hidden behind it. So today, in this video, we will embark on a journey of the pumpkin. From its history to its nutrition and vitamins, we will learn everything. So watch the video till the end. And yes, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Friends, did you know that pumpkin is not just any ordinary vegetable? It is a vegetable that holds a history within itself. It used to be a favorite fruit of our ancestors too. The history of pumpkin dates back thousands of years, and it has played an important role in many cultures. Its cultivation began about 7,500 years ago in Central America. People of that time used it in their daily lives in various ways. People of that time did not just eat it, but also used it for many other purposes. Pumpkin was also used for its medicinal properties. You must be aware of pumpkin seeds, how delicious they are. These seeds are not only tasty, but also rich in nutrients. But people in the past also used to relish its pulp and flowers. Various dishes were prepared using pumpkin pulp, which are still popular in many places. And what's more, mats were also made from dried pumpkin pieces. These mats were not only strong, but the process of making them was also very interesting. Just imagine how useful this fruit is. Every part of the pumpkin is useful in some way or the other. Then when European explorers arrived in America, they saw this unique fruit. They were very impressed by the characteristics of this fruit. They thought, why not take it with them to Europe? And that's how the pumpkin reached Europe. And as soon as it reached Europe, pumpkin became a part of the cuisine there. Many types of dishes started being made from pumpkin in Europe. Gradually, it gained popularity worldwide. Today, pumpkin is grown and eaten on every continent. Today, pumpkin is not just a fruit, but a symbol of many cultures. It plays an important role in various festivals and celebrations. Be it Halloween or Thanksgiving, these festivals are incomplete without pumpkins. Pumpkins are carved into lanterns on Halloween, while pumpkin pie is a major dish on Thanksgiving. Festivals are also celebrated in honor of pumpkins in many places. These festivals include pumpkin carving competitions, and various dishes made from pumpkins are served. In today's time, pumpkin cultivation has also undergone significant changes. With the help of modern agricultural techniques, the yield and quality of pumpkins have improved. Pumpkin is not only delicious, but also very beneficial for health. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, along with fiber and antioxidants. Nowadays, many new and unique dishes are being made from pumpkin. Chefs are using pumpkin in various types of soups, salads, and desserts. Pumpkin is also being used in art and culture. People also use pumpkin as a decoration, which makes it even more attractive. People come together and enjoy various activities at community events celebrated with pumpkins. This fruit truly brings people together. The popularity of pumpkin is global today. Festivals are celebrated in honor of pumpkins in different countries, and people eat it with great enthusiasm. In the future, we may see even more innovation in pumpkin farming and its uses. Sustainable agricultural practices can further increase pumpkin yields. So friends, the next time you see a pumpkin, remember its thousands of years old history and its countless uses. This fruit is truly unique and holds a special place in our lives. Now let's talk about the nutrition of pumpkin. Pumpkin, which we usually see in green or orange color, is not only delicious, but also very beneficial for health. Friends, this pumpkin, which looks so big and heavy, actually contains many nutrients inside it. In fact, it is very low in calories. This means you can eat it without any worries, without worrying about gaining weight. The calorie content in pumpkin is so low that you can include it in your diet. Pumpkin has a very high water content, which makes it an excellent fruit for summers. When the body needs to stay hydrated in summers, consuming pumpkin is very beneficial. It also contains fiber, which is good for digestion. Fiber keeps your digestive system healthy and also provides relief from problems like constipation. And yes, it also provides protein to make you strong. Protein is very important for our body, especially for those who focus on fitness. If you eat 100 grams of pumpkin, you will get only 26 calories. This is great for those who want to control their calorie intake. Apart from this, you will get 6.5 grams of carbohydrates, which provide you with energy. 0.5 grams of fiber, which keeps your digestive system healthy. And you will also get 1 gram of protein, which is important for your muscle growth. And the best part, it contains no fat at all, so you can eat it without any worries. This means pumpkin is a fruit that will give you both taste and health. You can eat it in many ways, be it in soup, salad, or even as a dessert. Pumpkin has so many benefits that including it in your diet would be a wise decision. So the next time you go to the market, be sure to include pumpkin in your shopping list. Friends, pumpkin is not only low in calories, but it is also rich in vitamins and minerals. Pumpkin contains so many nutrients that it can be called a superfood. This means it makes you as strong from the inside as the outside. Consuming pumpkin can lead to many health improvements. Pumpkin contains the highest amount of vitamin A. This vitamin helps in maintaining your eyesight and also keeps your skin healthy. Vitamin A is very important for your eyes. It sharpens your vision and also improves your ability to see at night. Apart from this, it also boosts your immunity so that you stay protected from diseases. The antioxidants present in pumpkin protect your body from free radicals, so that you stay protected from diseases. Regular consumption of pumpkin can also protect you from common ailments like cold and cough. Pumpkin also contains a good amount of vitamin C, which helps protect you from cold and cough. This vitamin also makes your skin glow, which helps protect you from cold and cough. In addition, vitamin C also increases collagen production in your body, which keeps your skin and hair healthy. And this, it also contains essential nutrients like vitamin E, B6, potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, and folate. All these elements are essential for the proper functioning of various organs of your body. It also contains essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, and folate. Potassium is good for your heart health, while magnesium strengthens your bones. It also contains essential nutrients like calcium and folate. Iron helps in maintaining the hemoglobin level in your body, which keeps you energized. This means pumpkin is a fruit that benefits you in every way. You can include it in your diet in many ways, such as soup, salad, pie, and smoothie. So be sure to include it in your diet. By consuming pumpkin, you will not only stay healthy, but you will also love its taste. So friends, this was the story of pumpkin from its history to its health benefits. Hope you liked this video. If you found this video informative and entertaining, please like and share it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Alkhi Channel so that you keep getting such fun and informative videos. Thank you. You were watching Alkhi Channel. See you again with a new video. Till then, take care.